Dear students, in this video we will see exercise 11.2. Chapter is 11, Trigonometry. See, before doing this exercise, you have to understand how to prepare this table. A separate video has already been uploaded to how to prepare this table. Trigonometric values you should remember compulsory, or at least you should know how to prepare. It is better if you remember sine, cos, tan values at least, so that we can do the reciprocal of this to get the reciprocal of sine is cosec, reciprocal of cos is sec, and the reciprocal of tan is cot. Reciprocal means just change the reverse of the numerator and denominator. For example, root 3 by 2 is sine cos 30. What is the reciprocal? 2 by root 3, that is sec. Same for cosec, sine 1 by 2 is sine 30. Cosec is 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means 2. The same way, cot is the reciprocal of tan. 1 by root 3 is tan 30. That means here tan 30 here is 1 by root 3. That means cot 30 is how much? Root 3 by 1, that is root 3. So this table is compulsory to solve any problem related with these angles. First question here is sine 45 plus cos 45. Sine 45 and cos 45. Evaluate, and we have to find the value of this one. So what is the value of sine 45? 1 by root 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. From where you are getting this one? You are getting from here. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is 1 by root 2. This is 45 for both sine and cos. Now, if you add these two, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, because root 2 is present in denominator of both the terms, 1 by root 2. So root 2 and root 2 means LCM will be root 2. So 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 means root 2 is common, available in both places, so LCM will be same. Because the LCM is already the same as the denominator, just simply add the numerators. So if you have both denominator as same, take this as the LCM and simply add or subtract depending upon what operation is given here without performing anything. So 1 plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 2 by root 2. So whenever you get root in the denominator, square root in the denominator, you have to convert it and remove this square root. So we have to perform some operation to remove this root 2. That is what rationalizing this one. So 2 by root 2. So whatever number is there, simply multiply this with the numerator and denominator. That way we can do. Or here in this case 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, right? 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So root 2 into root 2 is what? Root 4. Root 4 means 2. So 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2. So we get here 1 root 2, 1 root 2, we get cancel here and we get root 2 as the answer, right? Otherwise this step can also be done in this way. If you have 2 by root 2, so whatever in the denominator, you both multiply and divide, right? Multiply and divide, because multiplying and dividing the same value, the value will not get changed. So here we get the same answer here, root 2, root 2. So root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. Root 2 into root 2 becomes, here denominator root 2 into root 2 becomes root 4, that means 2. So this will be something like this. So 2 will get cancelled. Like this also you can do. This is what rationalizing the denominator. So in the answer we have to be sure that the square root value is not there in the denominator. You have to remove this one. Second question, second bit. First question. Cos 45 divided by sec 30 plus cosec 60. Cos 45, what is the value? 1 by root 2. Sec 30 how much? 2 by root 3. Cosec 60 how much? 2 by root 3. All these values are coming from the trigonometric table, right? So now cos 45 1 by root 2 divided by sec 30 plus cosec 2 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3. That is equal to 1 by root 2 divided by, because here in the LCM denominator both we are having root 3. So you take root 3 as the LCM, because here this is common, root 3 here and root 3 here. So you will get root 3 as this one, because here we are having the same values, root 3 and root 3, without doing anything. Just simply 2 plus 2 you write. If you have minus here, you have to write minus. If you have plus, simply write the plus. So in the denominator you get this one. So 1 by root 2 divided by 4 by root 3. Here you are having 4 by root 3. So when you remove this divide, and convert it to multiplication, the denominator value we have to take as reciprocal. So 4 by root 3 becomes root 3 by 4 when we take multiply instead of the divide. Here we have to remember one thing. If you have in the numerator a by b rational number, in the denominator c by d rational number, then this is equal to a by b multiply by d by c. And that means this denominator value will be written in the opposite way, that is reciprocal. We have to take c by d, you write multiply as d by c. So here now 1, if you have anything you can cancel, otherwise no. 1 into root 3 will be root 3. Root 2 into 4 you have to write 4 root 2. First you write the integer part, then write the square root part. So this is about the second bit. Now third bit, sin 30 plus tan 45. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60, cot 45 plus cos 60 minus sec 30. Simply substitute the values. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, tan 45 is 1, minus cosec 60 is 2 by root 3, divided by cot 45 is 1 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2, minus sec 30 is 2 by root 3. So if you see carefully, observe here in the numerator you are having 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3. Denominator is also 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3. That means only order of the term is different, otherwise numerator and denominator are same. So we cancel this one, we get this as 1. Fourth bit here, 2 tan square 45 plus something is given here. So what is tan 45? 1. So 2 you take as it is. Tan square, whatever tan 45 is there, make it square. Tan 45 is 1, make it square. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos square 30 means root 3 by 2 whole square. Minus sin square 60. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin square means you have to take whole square. And these two are same with opposite sign. Root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square, cancel. 2 into 1 square. 1 square is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. So we get the answer as 2. In the fifth bit of the first question here, sec square 60 minus tan square 60 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. What is sec square 60? Sec 60 is 2. Square here, sec square means take 2 square, minus tan square 60 means tan 60 is how much? Root 3. Root 3 whole square divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. This is 1 by 2 whole square, because sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin square means 1 by 2 whole square, plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. So 2 into 2, 2 square means 2 into 2 we get 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So if you multiply square root value 2 times, the root will go, that's all. Square root of root 3 into root 3 means root 9. Root 9 is a perfect square. So root 9 becomes 3. So numerator is 4 minus 3. Denominator is 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 square is 4. So here in the denominator you have 4 and 4 for both terms. So you will get here LCM as 4. Simply numerator add 1 plus 3. So 1 by 4 by 4. Denominator will be 1. 1 by 1. So we'll get the answer as 1. So these are the 5 bits of question number 1 in exercise 11.2. We'll continue in the next video.